Halloween night, baby.
Damn! Touchdown, yes sir!
Come on, Rusty. No, we gotta cut this shit. I want to fundraise too. Hey, that was a grab it. I can't believe this shit. That is the best costume of the night.
Hopefully a friendly visit.
Yeah.
And we allow them to surveil us. Don't you understand, John?
Hold on. Dick! Hey, yo, dickhead! We have to hear it!
Get the fuck out of my seat!
Yeah. Oh, here it is! Wait, what are you guys supposed to be? Come on, we gotta go. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Good morning, everybody. We are here in beautiful OC, California, and we are back. If any of you remember, last year, we made a video here around this time, and it was a wild time. So we're back for pretty much a part 2. Now, it is Halloween weekend, so I have no idea what kind of things are about to transpire in the next couple days, but nevertheless, I'm excited to see. We do have a couple things planned, so yeah, should be a good one. First things first though, what we gotta do is we gotta get a haircut, make sure to get nice and fresh. And then after this, maybe go for a little swim and then we'll see. We'll maybe get some coffee. For now, let me go ahead and finish this cut and I'll see you guys after. All right, and we are finally back. Got the fresh haircut. How do I look, ladies? Also, I forgot to introduce you guys to someone you should already be very familiar with. Who am I here with?
Guys? It's your boy Sam. We're back at Lido doing exactly what we do in the places we do them with the people we do them with.
And
that smash button.
What do they say?
That smash button.
All right, we are here now at what is this, Lido?
We're at Hearst Coffee.
Hearst Coffee. All right, we're here at the Hearst Coffee spot right now. Before we end up doing whatever we're gonna do, we gotta do a nice little reset. So we're gonna get some hot coffee and then go from there. You know, another day, another coffee. Home videos, you know.
I don't know. These things like a little bit sketchy.
Yeah, it is Newport Beach, so that could be the case. Tonight's gonna get crazy. Everyone's signing a non-disclosure agreement at the party, and tonight we're not checking IDs, we're not checking ages. Jackson gave us the idea. Great idea, by the way, Jackson.
We are definitely checking everything.
No IDs.
We're getting reckless tonight. We're getting reckless.
If you bring your ID, you're not allowed in the party, actually.
We have a lawyer.
We're really mad.
We have a lawyer on standby in the closet of the party to verify everything we do is illegal. That's how ready to go we are.
We're speed running a life sentence.
Guys, last time, not you guys, them guys. Last time we were here in the vlog was actually right before we ended up going to Vegas. I think we had a nice little burger right somewhere around here. And now, what we're gonna do a little lap, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the vibes. I mean, back home it's a little chilly, I will be honest. So I had to get a little reset on the tan. And we got Hamza behind the camera. Yo, hold on now. Come here.
No, we don't need to be doing that again.
All right, after the boys ended up finishing walking around there, enjoying the scenery, had our coffees, we are now here at this little outdoor mall because we have to actually go to Spirit Halloween. Like I said, it is Halloween weekend and we are planning on going out tonight as a big squad. Some of us don't have costumes yet though, so we're just gonna kind of look around. Also, we are planning on throwing a party tomorrow. We'll get details will come a little later. but we're also trying to get some decorations for that. So we're about to hop in right now, see what they got. I don't know, do a little exploring. Okay, I'm going in.
Probably what?
Alright, we're at the mask section right now, and they got all these kinds of masks here. I have no idea. They got the horse, they got like some clowns, some whatnot. I don't know if any of these boys want to wear any of these masks, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do something a little more plain. I have no idea yet. What are you going with?
Maybe I should rock this.
Utility hat?
Utility?
This is dangerous for you to have, bro. With both of these, I don't know if I trust you with that.
Oh, you're gonna have to. You got no choice out here.
What? No way. They have Karan here. Karan, it's you. Okay, I think we have everything. We're probably gonna head out now and go to the next spot. I have no idea yet.
There's like 60 some people. I feel like we're gonna need
With
more.
the amount of people coming, you're gonna need more. But people should be bringing stuff too, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm not gonna show up empty-handed.
Yeah.
We just ended up wrapping it up at Costco. As you can see, we got all the essentials, not only for tonight, but for tomorrow as well. I think now what we're gonna do is we're probably just gonna go ahead, pack it up, get in the car, go somewhere, eat, and then I have no idea what the rest of the day holds for now. So I will see you guys later.
Yo!
What are you boys up to, huh?
Just enjoying the sunset. What about you?
I gotta come join you lads.
Get on up here.
Wow. California sunsets, huh?
It's not too bad, right?
Never gets old, brother. Yo, put the camera away, bro. Get over here.
Push over.
Get over here, bro.
As I was starting to point out,
I'm gonna get that when I come back.
Ladies and gentlemen, the night has started. What does that mean? That means the boys are getting active. Yes, I know you see a little bit has already gone. So you know the boys have already started. With that being said, hey! Cheers, 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 cheers! Cheers, brother, cheers, brother, cheers, 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 boys. Cheers, cheers. And cheers to you guys. Let the night begin, huh?
Where my clothes at?
Oh shit!
Bro, we can't break them.
They don't want fight. Check to see how they are. I don't know.
that's great. That's perfect.
Yo, bro, you didn't even look at it.
I looked, but that's great.
Okay. Yeah, if you like it.
Look, when we go out, I'm gonna be doing interviews. So like, I'll be interviewing the baddest bitches we see, bro. And they're gonna get wet as fuck. And that's when I swoop in. Swoop in.
Tilt the cowboy hat down a little bit, walk in that bit. What's on there, baby?
No, you gotta do the brim, the flick, and the pull down.
That's hard.
I don't do that. I just grab him by the pussy. No. That's what I do.
Y'all might have to censor that part.
No, is this live right now?
Yeah.
Oh, reasonable. We initially started at one club and we lost about half of the group. But we have now transitioned into the streets. Activation levels low 8.
No, high 9.5.
Yeah, maybe.
High
Maybe.
9.5.
Maybe.
There has
So
not
what we're
been
doing right now.
There's been not a single ID checked the whole night.
So what we're doing right
Look at you see that? He's 16 and a half.
What we're doing right now is we're basically just roaming the streets. Some might call it harassing, but we're calling it interacting with the locals. So yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna basically kind of walk around. I think Sam went into a club. I have no idea yet, but let's go this way. Let's go this way. We move this way and see what's going on.
Let's do it, baby.
Yo, hey, hold on. You mind if I holler at you?
Oh, not like that, not like that. But you, no, not like that, not like that.
What is this? Wait, hold on.
Wait, hold on, put the hat on. What do you think? What do you think?
Okay, wait, walk us through the fit. What do you got? What do you got? Start at the bottom. Start at the bottom.
Right here, we got the finest of fucking ruby red slippers.
Let me smell them. What?
I don't know about that. I don't want to take.
Bro, you on some
Yeah, this is merchandise is expensive.
What do we got underneath?
You know, show off the gun, standard uniform.
Let's get a little something.
Standard uniform. I'm small.
Let's see it. Thumbnail. I appreciate you.
Oh
Dorothy,
yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
You're the prettiest Dorothy I've seen tonight. Let's go. Let's move. Hold on. This has to be blackface. Damn.
Yo, this shit is fucked up. I can't. This is 2026. This is when it's come to right
Wait, hold on. I've never interviewed Michael Myers. Before you kill me, tell me, how's your night going?
So I think I saw you early on the morning.
Really? I like that. What was the highlight of your night?
With TH, man.
Oh. Yeah. Enemy spotted. Can you give us like a little, like, you know, what's your favorite move to hit? Like, is it like a stab or like a slash or like a? Oh,
Yo,
shit.
get my ball.
Hold on. Hey, yo, freaky ass one, bro. Yo, move on. Yo, this guy's a freak, bro. Hey, yo, dickhead.
Some people just like,
dickhead.
they have no culture, bro. They have no class.
Hold on. Dodgers. Oh, let's go Blue Jays.
Bro, like,
Let's go Blue Jays.
I'm not gonna lie.
Now rock with it.
That's not. You might get your ass.
I'm about to smoke.
fucking Vladimir Guerrero is gonna come in tomorrow and fucking sweep it up, and it's gonna be over. And that's all I'm saying.
Sure, why not? I agree. Oh, done. Wait a minute. What's your favorite Pirates of the Caribbean movie?
Third one.
Third one? Okay, yeah, you're a man of culture. I like that.
Yes.
I respect that. Wait, hold on. Are you Punjabi?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Hey, man,
Hey, kya bolti tu? Hey, kya me bolu? Hey. Suna? Ati kya kandala? Wait. Do you know this one? This one? Choli ke piche kya hai? Choli ke piche kya hai?
Yo.
Yeah.
I'm like pretty whitewashed, just to be honest.
Oh shit! Hey, wherever we go, we gotta find a brown boy. You know, brown boys in the house.
Hey, you gotta get some like chole bhature though. That's the only way to go. You know.
Are you a bad bitch or not?
If I was a bad bitch,
Yeah.
I wanna fuck me too.
Hey, I wanna fuck me too. Hey, I wanna fuck me too. Hey, if I was a bad bitch, I wanna fuck me too. Hey, I wanna fuck me too. Hey, I wanna suck me too.
Yo, what's up, guys? We out here in Newport. Hey,
Hello,
this is my
fellas.
girl.
Hello.
Hey, get over here.
I'm a woman. Hello, we're out here in Newport, gang.
Hey.
I can't keep this anymore.
Hold on. You stand right here. You stand right here. Yeah, hey, hold on. What he say? He said 6, 7. Whoa, what the fuck? Yo, hold on. What the hell is this? Hold up.
Sturdy, ball.
Hey,
Hey, can you pop a wheelie on that motherfucker?
come right here.
Bro, I
Oh,
promise, right?
shit. Y'all stepping out clean as fuck.
What the hell's going on?
Oh, shit. And they got the hose. Oh shit.
Look, listen. If you playing in my game, okay, do not play with my homeboy.
Hey man.
That's a foul. That's a foul. Foul.
Flag on the play.
No, get him defensive line. Defensive line. Yo, rep this.
Ready! Green 18!
Green 18. Touchdown. Yes sir.
Come on, Rusky. Come on, Rusky. Who is that? No, he's too small.
That's a fumble. That's a fumble.
Switch sides!
You the running back. Bro, you line. Bro, 42.
What?
How'd you get caught?
No, we gotta cut this shit. We'll cut this shit. We're in the middle of the street. What? Yo, what is that?
Get the banana.
Banana.
My friend wants to join.
Banana. On the slide. Here we go.
Right. Blue 42, sir. What?
Oh shit! Go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh shit, another ref! Hold up! Yo! Who's next? It's an absolute mess. Hey, fuck it. You know what they say?
There's another one.
You know what they say?
There's another one.
Time to get a little...
Fuck that.
Oh shit! No, hold up.
Throw the flag.
Flag on the plate.
He don't even have a fucking flag.
Oh shit!
He must be a fucking ref for the fucking Saints. Fuck.
Throw him out.
Wait, hold on.
Throw him
What?
We got the official ref right here. Throw him out.
You're speeding, brother. Nice. Oh, wait, hold on. We have to hear it. We have to hear it.
They need my voice line right now.
We have to hear this shit. We have to hear this. Yeah.
Alright, let me know. Alright.
I'm gonna give you the pass.
Thank you, my nigga.
Get the fuck out of my seat!
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
Keep that nigger bitch off the plane! Nigga up!
Yeah. I can't, bro.
Hey, bro.
I can't, bro.
You have to get out of my seat.
I can't, bro.
Oh, God, you do.
You see that shit? Dude, I can't believe this shit. Go on, my brother. Bro, no, that wins. That is the best costume of the night. Hold on. Oh, shit, hold on. Yo, hit the switch. Where are you at?
Fuck yeah. Oh, yeah.
Come on, bro. You crazy. Oh, nice meeting you, brother.
Yeah.
How's your vibe?
Glad y'all came.
Luffy.
No, not me. You're looking at the wrong guy. He did that last time.
Wait, what's going on? Oh, shit.
Damn. No.
All right, guys, we're here at Newport Beach. As usual, another guy getting arrested. It's another drunk, crackhead, who knows what. That's the usual.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, it's this guy.
Hey, guys, what's up? What's up?
If I were me, I'd fuck me too.
They cut me off. Almost ran into me.
What did it say?
Hey, hold on. Hey, granddad, man.
It's a granddad.
Hey, I hope the most of love to you, man.
Yes, sir.
You have
Blessings.
a great day, man.
Yes,
Blessings
sir.
come your way.
Blessings,
Your
granddad.
grandson is a goat. He's a goat.
Yes, sir. Hey, great vibes, man. Yes, sir. Definitely a memory.
Hey, great
Memory,
mom.
yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Halloween
Ooh,
night,
that boy hit
baby.
the- that boy hit
Let's
the
go.
curve. I like that. Oh, he
Yeah, run it back. And that boy hit the, that boy no song. Yes, sir. All right, man. Hey, appreciate you a lot.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
have a good one, gentlemen. Yeah, I mean, if you pan 180 degrees, some guy is currently getting arrested. Free up. Yeah, I think what we're gonna do actually, we're probably gonna end up ending the night here. Again, Halloween weekend, Newport Beach. Man, shit's crazy. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I wanna fuck me too. I wanna fuck me too.